Discover Italy's most irresistible street food, from crispy arancini in Sicily to the heavenly bites of panzerotti in Puglia. Each region brings its own unique flavors. Walk the streets of Naples and enjoy the authentic taste of pizza al taglio, or try a warm porchetta sandwich, bursting with juicy roast pork and spices. Don't forget the sweet finish. Gelato or cannoli are a must. Explore Italy through its incredible street food and bring the taste of La Dolce Vita to life in every bite. Ready for your next Italian food adventure?